Hey guys, we've got this beautiful 812 GTS in today for an exhaust upgrade. Guess what exhaust? It's a Novitec exhaust system with a remote control. Now let me show you what we'll be starting before we start the work. We'll be taking off all the under trays and everything in order to access the back boxes and the control modules for the exhaust valves. We'll be replacing their straight pipes. We'll be decatting these trays, straight pipe in the center resonator. The catalytic converters will be replaced with a sports cat, so the car is still legal. Stay tuned, Jack will be fitting everything up today. Stay tuned.
What is this, Bruce? What's
this is a valve control. So in order to switch the exhaust valves from, if I can find it, this is the control module for the valve control. And where's the remote? In this box. Is it in here? I'll just take that wire now. Yeah, please. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful.
Second.
I don't have my gloves on.
It's okay.
So yeah, this switch can, there's 4 different settings for the exhaust control, and this is a bypass system. You just take the factory connectors off, and it's like a piggyback loom. Just the factory plugs into there, and that plugs into the new exhaust valve, the solenoids, and this controls the settings, the 4 settings, and that's it. It's a plug and play.
So this rubber is to help the airflow underneath the vehicle for handling.
I said, you know that. So you can see that's a lot smaller than this one. That's because this is a sport cat, so there's less restrictions, allows the engine to essentially breathe a bit better, and in theory can get you more power. These are lambda sensors. They essentially read how much air, how much oxygen is in the exhaust, and then relay that information back to the ECU in the car.
I'm not GVE 18.
When the climb is coming?
Tomorrow.
It's coming tomorrow. 6 hours to finish the job.
Tips in this head.
Yeah.
Of me swearing and kicking stuff. You got to have like flexible hands, arms, legs. This?
Yeah.
So this is the vacuum line that controls it'll pull the vacuum and it'll open and shut the valve in the exhaust to make it quiet and loud.
That's quite a position.
I'm back. I'm gonna have to go to yoga after this. Right. Yeah, alright. So you have to activate the module for the exhaust valves, so you can put it in cruise, sport, and open the valves. You get a little magnet and you have to put it onto the to the control module.
Second.
You need to
run a heat sign.
Yeah. I've had it.
Get it hot and
That's what works.
close.
Sounds like an F1 car.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very nice.
Right. Well, I'm quite happy with how it sounds.
Sounds similar to my Ferrari.
I can't wait for a beer now. Now we've completed this Novitec exhaust, we're just going to road test it, make sure there's no rattles or bangs, and make sure everything's good. I'll give it a little rev, yeah? Sound good? Yeah, no rattles, no squeaks, sounds good. Sometimes smell a bit of burning, but that's because it's a new exhaust. In my opinion, this is the best sounding V12 with this exhaust. But just my opinion.